Let's lock down your Scotiabank account right now by setting up a secure access code. An access code is a second layer of security, a unique numeric code sent directly to your phone or email that you'll need to enter along with your password. First, open the Scotiabank mobile app on your smartphone or go to the Scotiabank website on your computer and log in with your existing card number and password. Once you're in your online banking, navigate to the Settings or Profile section, often found by tapping your name or an icon in the top corner. Look for a menu option labeled Security Settings, Manage Alerts, or Contact Information. This is where you control how you receive your security codes. Within the Security menu, find the option for Access Code Delivery. You'll see choices to receive your code via text message, to your registered mobile number, or via email. Select your preferred method for immediate access. Text message is often the fastest. Ensure your contact details are correct before proceeding. After you save your selection, the system will immediately send a test access code to your chosen device. Check your phone or email for this message. Return to the Scotiabank app or website and enter the test code you received into the prompt to verify everything is working correctly. And you're done. The next time you log in from a new device, Scotiabank will now send you a unique access code, giving your account a powerful shield against unauthorized access.